President of India Draupadi Murmu will inaugurate the Meghalaya Games 2024 in Tura on January 15th. Informing this, Conrad K. Sangma said that the Games will be historic as Draupadi Murmu will grace the occasion as chief guest. He also said that her visit to the Meghalaya Games will encourage the youth and participants on the game the next day. The President will be here in Shillong to attend many programs. The President would also be here to lay the foundation stone for the Shillong Ropeway project. Meanwhile, viewers can watch the live telecast of the inaugural function, closing function, final football match and other updates of the Meghalaya Games in DD News, Meghalaya.
It gives me immense pleasure and happiness to inform you that the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, will be visiting our state on the 15th and 16th of January 2024. On the 15th, she will be gracing the Meghalaya Games as the chief guest of that program, which will be a great encouragement for the youth of our state. And on the 16th, she will be proceeding to Shillong and attending many programs in Shillong. I once again take this opportunity to thank her and to welcome her to our state.